Alright guys, we have returned to the Mack truck to try to get some more information off this thing. So you just saw the grease cover. These wheels are pneumatic, so it's probably not in the teens. This is the front end actually, but it's sitting on the back end of the chassis. Somebody said it's a 26, and they said only a 26 has the Mack cut out in the back. So at this point I'm kind of going off of that. It's probably a 26. Just trying to look at some things that people have spotted and mentioned. Looking at parts here. I think this is a fender or something right there. I was wanting to see if it was chain driven. Somebody was talking, a lot of people mentioned chain driven, but I don't know. I can't quite see. Oh, that's cool. Look at that differential, geez. So, oh, that's kind of different. Gotta look at it down through this tire here. But it appears to have a drive shaft, so it is not a chain-driven Mack, guys. Which would have been cool. Of course, the older the cooler, always. And then, just trying to piece things together here. You've got something there. Sad. I was hoping I was wrong about the transmission, but it does appear that the transmission is gone out of it. That's a huge stumbling block to the Mack. But the engine is a very large 4-cylinder, and we got the cab here. Man, they really like putting their symbol on stuff. Mack. Here's the cab, tipped down on its side. So that'd be the back, like a little crew cab. And then that's your dash. And which would have bolted on right here. Looks like it broke. But that's where it would have gone. Got your big old engine there. This, I don't know what that is. Maybe that's a door. That might be a door. I don't know. Some kind of door. Maybe not necessarily off of this. The biggest thing to me, though, I would really like to see the hood somewhere. I think, oh, this is probably not it. Okay, this is a cowl to something. So this is a whole nother window frame to something else. Unfortunately, I was hoping maybe it was the hood or something. Well, unfortunately, I don't know what that cowl goes to. The roof has got a pretty big smash in it. What's this say up here? A-N-U? A-N-U? Boy, I don't know. So hard. So hard to get information off of these things. But I think at this point, I'm going with this being a 26. Somebody also said the body number. So the thing is, the body number is showing 6589, but I think it got cut here. So who knows what the actual body number is. It's cool though. It's definitely cool. I've heard the radiator is in the front. I've seen pictures and it looks like the radiator's in the front, or not the front, sorry, the back of the engine. So I'm not sure though, because it looks like the cab would come up to the back of the engine. I mean, that's the bottom of your cab right there, and your engine's right here. So unless maybe the radiator sat above the engine, that could be it. But I still see no radiator, and I still see no hood or fenders. Like, I can live without fenders. Those could be fabricated pretty easy. The hood could even be fabricated pretty easy. But not having a radiator would be, I mean, you could jimmy rig something, but it'd be gonna be hard to make it look authentic. So I'm not sure, guys. Should I still get this? Let me know. I'm supposed to make the guy an offer here in the coming days, basically within the next week. I told him I'd make him an offer on this stuff. It's still really cool. It'd still be fun to get it going. But I guess my question is, can I sell it and make my money back depending on what he wants for it? Or will the ad revenue from YouTube cover it? You know what helps? Is if you guys subscribe, like this video, share this video, and if you really want to help, become a member. It's not that much. It's just a charity to me. Anyway, let me know what you guys think in the comments.